Title: The Marvelous World of Plant Biology. Have you ever wondered what makes plants so magical? Imagine walking through a lush forest. Around you, tall green trees reach up to the sky. Flowers bloom in vibrant colors, and vines twist and twine with elegance. But what makes these plants alive and thriving? Welcome to the fascinating world of plant biology. Plants are truly amazing living organisms. They can make their own food, breathe, grow, and even have ways to protect themselves. Let's dive into how they pull off these incredible feats. The secret of food making: photosynthesis. Plants have a special trick up their leaves called photosynthesis. Imagine if you had a magical workshop inside you that could turn sunlight into food. Sounds cool, right? Plants do this using green pigment in their leaves called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps them capture sunlight. Then, with water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, they cook up their food. The result is a sweet substance called glucose, which fuels their growth and gives them energy. And guess what? A byproduct of this process is oxygen, which we breathe. Isn't that fantastic? Breathing through tiny openings, stomata. Plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. Imagine these as little mouths that can open and close. During the day, they open to take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and release oxygen. At night, when photosynthesis isn't happening, they usually close up to conserve water. Growing tall and strong, roots and stems. Have you ever noticed how a plant cracks through a sidewalk or leans towards light? This is thanks to their roots and stems. Roots dig deep into the ground, sucking up water and nutrients to keep the plant healthy. They also anchor the plant firmly in the soil. The stem is like a sturdy straw that moves water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves. It also helps the plant stand upright, reaching for sunlight. Defense against the elements, thorns, and bark. Plants have their own armor. Some have sharp thorns to keep hungry animals at bay. Others develop thick bark to protect against pests and harsh weather. It's like having a knight's armor that helps them survive. A world full of color and fragrance, flowers and pollination. Flowers don't just look and smell nice. They play a crucial role in the plant's reproduction process. Most flowers have bright colors and sweet scents to attract bees, butterflies, and other creatures, which help them spread pollen from one flower to another. This is called pollination, and it leads to the birth of seeds and, eventually, new plants. Plants are indispensable to life on Earth. They provide us with oxygen, food, and even materials like wood and cotton. Plus, they make our world more beautiful and vibrant. Next time you see a plant, remember the wonders it performs every day, quietly and diligently, to keep our planet alive and healthy. So, embark on this journey with plants, marvel at their abilities, and cherish the green world around you. It's a world full of wonders, and every plant has a story to tell.